So, is it really possible to experience Italy's most glamorous island without a movie star's bank account? You hear the stories. A simple glass of Coke in Capri's main square can cost you €6, and a taxi for just a few minutes starts at over €17. The island is famous for being a playground for the rich, a place where super yachts dot the coastline and designer boutiques line the streets. So, is Capri's insane beauty only for those with unlimited cash? We've explored every corner of this island, from the most lavish experiences to the best local secrets, to find out what's actually worth your money. This is your ultimate guide to Capri, for any budget. Number 1. Getting to and around the island. Your Capri adventure kicks off the second you step off the ferry. Now, how you decide to conquer its steep cliffs and winding roads. That's going to set the vibe for your whole trip. If you want to go all out, the island's convertible taxis are an experience in themselves. Picture this: white leather seats, a cool breeze, and a charismatic driver who's also your personal tour guide. It's a seriously stylish way to get around. For peak convenience, a private driver can be on call, ready to whisk you from your villa to a 5-star dinner without you lifting a finger. But here's the inside scoop for smart travelers: Capri's public transport is fantastic, cheap, and gives you the exact same stunning views. The moment you land at Marina Grande, you can hop on the funicular, a scenic cable car that zips you right up to the main square, the Piazzetta, for just a couple of euros. From there, a network of surprisingly on-time minibuses can get you to all the key spots, including the much quieter and more affordable town of Capri. You can even grab a one-day transport pass for under €10, which gives you unlimited bus rides and a round trip on the funicular. A quick word of advice, though: wear comfy shoes. Honestly, walking is hands down the best way to find the island's hidden alleys and jaw-dropping viewpoints. Number 2. Exploring the coastline. Boat tours. You haven't really seen Capri until you've seen it from the water. It's just a fact. The island's coastline is a total masterpiece of secret grottos, dramatic cliffs, and of course, the legendary Faraglioni rock formations. The height of luxury. A private yacht tour, no question. Imagine a full day out on the water with your own skipper, finding secluded spots to swim far away from everyone else. These tours are totally customizable. You can hang out for an extra hour at your favorite cove, have a gourmet lunch on board, and pop some prosecco as the sun sets behind the Faraglioni. A private skippered boat can start at around €200 for a 2-hour trip and can go way up from there for a full-day luxury ride. But hey, you don't need a super yacht to feel the magic. Shared group tours are a fantastic and much more affordable option, with prices starting as low as €24 per person for a spin around the island. These tours hit all the must-see sites, including the famous Blue Grotto, the White Grotto, and the Green Grotto. You'll still cruise right through the arch of the Faraglioni rocks, and trust me, that moment feels just as special whether you're on a shared gozzo boat or a mega yacht. You might not have the same privacy, but the shared experience is fun, social, and gives you a $1 million view for a fraction of the price. Number 3. The best views on the island. Capri is a vertical island, which means its best treasures are usually found way up high. Chasing down the best views is a non-negotiable part of any visit. For a truly exclusive vibe, you could hire a private guide for a custom trek along the island's lesser-known paths, making sure you get those spectacular viewpoints all to yourself. It's a great way to get a personalized tour of Capri's nature, suited to your own pace. But here's the great news: the most incredible panoramas on Capri are open to everyone. The single best viewpoint is Monte Solaro, the island's highest point. You could hike to the top for free, but the most amazing way to get there is the single-seat chairlift from Capri. It costs about €14 for a round trip, and the peaceful, 13-minute ride gives you these slowly unfolding views that are just unforgettable. From the top, you can see the entire island, the Bay of Naples, and the Amalfi Coast stretching out like a map. Another must-do is the Gardens of Augustus. For a tiny entrance fee, just a couple of euros, you get the most iconic, postcard-perfect view of Capri, the winding path of Viaduct below, and the majestic Faraglioni rocks in the distance. Looking for a totally free alternative with a similar vibe? Take a walk along the Piazzetta Trail. It's a rugged coastal path that leads to the magnificent Arco Natural, or Natural Arch, and offers a wilder, more intimate look at the island's beauty. Number 4, Beach Time, Capri style. Forget what you think you know about Italian beaches. Capri does things differently. Don't expect long, sandy shores. Instead, you'll find incredible swimming spots carved right into the rocky coast. The splurge-worthy way to hit the water is at one of Capri's famous beach clubs, like La Fontellina or Il Riccio. These are exclusive spots where you rent a sunbed, an umbrella for the day, get drinks brought to you, and dine at chic waterfront restaurants. It's a day of pure pampering, loved by celebrities and jet-setters, but it definitely has a price tag to match. For an equally beautiful, but completely free, beach day, make your way to Marina Piccola. This gorgeous bay is sheltered by a giant cliff, and has 2 public beach areas. You can just throw down your towel and swim in the crystal clear water with a perfect view of the Faraglioni rocks. It's one of the sunniest places on the island, and a huge favorite with the locals. Another fantastic option is the beach by the Punta Carina Lighthouse. It has a more rugged, authentic feel and is known as the best spot on the island to watch the sunset. Number 5, a taste of Capri, dining experiences. From Michelin-starred restaurants to simple, perfect sandwiches, Capri's food scene has something for everyone. For a meal you'll never forget, you can book a table at a world-class restaurant like Aurora or La Capanina, where you might even do some celebrity spotting. These places offer incredible tasting menus, legendary wine cellars, and an atmosphere of old-school glamour. A fine dining experience here can easily set you back over €150 per person. But you absolutely don't have to spend a fortune to eat well in Capri. The island is packed with amazing, budget-friendly spots. Head to Anna Capri and you'll find charming, family-run trattorias where you can try authentic dishes like ravioli caprese for a fraction of the price. For a delicious and affordable meal, look for pizzerias like Om or Virginiello, where a fantastic pizza and a beer will only run you about €20. And for the ultimate budget lunch, do what the locals do, grab a panino caprese from a salumeria, a local deli in Marina Grande. It's just fresh mozzarella, ripe tomatoes, basil, and olive oil, but it's the simple, perfect taste of the island that you can enjoy right on the beach. Number 6, Capri versus Anna Capri. Here's a key tip for any first-timer. You have to understand the island's 2 different personalities, Capri Town and Anna Capri. Capri Town is the center of the action. It's glamorous, it's busy, and it's where you'll find the Piazzetta, the designer shops on Via Camaral, and most of the crowds. Anna Capri, on the other hand, is its quieter, more chilled-out cousin, located higher up on the slopes of Monte Salaro. Generally, prices for food, souvenirs, and even places to stay are lower here. Just by wandering through its peaceful, whitewashed streets, you get a real sense of what the island is like after all the day trippers have gone home. If you're traveling on a budget, or if you're just looking for a more peaceful vibe, basing yourself or even just spending more time in Anna Capri is a very smart move. So, what's your perfect Capri day? Are you team splurge or team save? Let us know your best tips and hidden gems in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you're planning your own Italian adventure and this guide helped you out, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more travel guides that show you how to see the world, no matter what your budget is. In the end, Capri's magic isn't about the money. The island's luxurious reputation is definitely earned, and if you've got the cash, the high-end experiences are truly unforgettable. But the real soul of Capri, the breathtaking nature, the smell of lemon groves, the warmth of the sun, all of that is completely free. The secret to a perfect trip here is all about balance. Splurge on one amazing experience, like that boat tour, and then save by hiking to a free viewpoint or having a simple picnic on a public beach. We can't recommend this enough. Stay at least one night. After that last ferry leaves, the island completely transforms. It reveals a quieter, more intimate side that most visitors never get to see. Whether you're here for the glamour or the nature, Capri proves that its most priceless treasures are here for everyone to enjoy.